Today we talk about dung beetles, the feces eating insects that keep the earth moving. Dung beetles are fascinating insects, also known as scarabs. They are caprophage, or feces eating organisms which feed on mammalian excreta. Dung beetles are ecologically invaluable as they break down animal waste, kill parasites, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and return nutrients to the soil. Their importance to the ecosystem wasn't lost to the ancient Egyptians, who believed dung beetles kept the earth moving. Scarab hieroglyphics represented the sun god and their dung rolling the sun's movement across the sky. The beetles symbolized good luck and were even buried with the dead as adornments. Dung beetles dry out the dung, which reduces the risk of parasitic disease. Then, using Milky Way as a compass, they roll dung balls along the ground in a straight line. Some scarabs move manure by dancing on top of it, while all of them are able to navigate by relying on starlight, even on the night where there is no moon in the sky. Dung beetles bury dung in the ground to feed their larvae and for reproduction. This manure helps restore nutrients and aids dispersing seeds in their ecosystem. The mixing and recycling of the soil in this enriching process not only nurtures plant growth but also improves biodiversity. By burying dung balls, scarabs reduce greenhouse gas emissions, including methane, by 12%. Carbon that otherwise would have been released into the atmosphere goes back into the soil. These dung beetles increase soil permeability, which is the ability to soak in the water, preventing erosion and flooding. Apart from their ecosystem engineering, dung beetles are also known for their physical strength. The male Onthrophagus taurus dung beetle can move a weight of 1141 times its own weight. In human terms, that would be equivalent to a person pulling 6 double-decker buses loaded with passengers. This makes them some of the strongest animals for their size. Cattle dung is a major source of greenhouse gas emissions, contributing significantly to climate change. However, by burying the dung beetles help reduce these emissions. Hence, we can conclude that grazing cows encourage dung beetles to live and thrive and do not cause climate change. It is the dairy cows that are kept on concrete floors where their system becomes broken, and so we need to link cows back to grasslands.